In art, just like in anything else, there's good days and there's bad days, and I think it's important just to remember that things take time and that you should let them come naturally. It's really good to make a ceremony or an opportunity for you to just relax and look at it and just let it become what it wants to be. I think the best pieces are created when you're not really looking to make anything. More than just adding to the intricacy of the piece or allowing you to play with light, texture can also afford you a moment to play with color. If you color the piece and then strip it back to bare metal, you'll see that in the grooves that you textured, you left color. And this adds to the overall interest of the piece.